안녕하세요, Oliver입니다. And this is Haru. Yeah, she's super happy. And we are on a cruise ship going to Sweden. And we are gonna conquer Europe. We are with Kimchi Goes My, and we're gonna conquer it together. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you there.
But like every great story, we have to start from the beginning. Before going on the long trip, we had to prepare something for Haru. I forgot her cage in Tartu, so I had to rent a cage from our local animal clinic. But every cage they showed us was super small. When I felt like all was lost, they took me to the backyard, where they had the right size cage for Haru, but it was very rusted. But it was better than nothing. Another problem we had to scratch was Haru's scratching issue. For that we got an allergy pill and an emergency pill, just in case. After that we loaded the cage and went on our way.
Me and Haru are here waiting. We have a lot of things back there. She has a cushion here. Very comfortable here. What was that face? It was like, oh, what you doing? Sorry, Haru.
After I ruined Haru's mood, we went to the check-in point. Everything went smoothly, but it wasn't long before we faced the first obstacle of the journey. We had to turn off the cameras.
Oliver, what just happened?
We got pulled over by the police.
And they asked about the Haru's documents. Our documents all were fine, but Haru's document was an issue because some sort of a vaccination was apparently missing. She has all vaccinations, there should be no issue. So that was quite stressful just now. We might need it when we arrive, you never know, they might stop us when we arrive in Sweden. When we go to Denmark and other countries, they're gonna have the same issue.
Literally after Estonia, we didn't have any issues with this.
It's your first time on a cruise ship.
And after that, we made it to the cabin, where we stuffed our faces with food because we were hungry. And while we were doing that, the ship started to move. And before long, we went for an adventure around the ship.
Haru, relax. They have like a dog thing on the 6th.
That's what I meant.
Oh my god. Oh, let's go outside. Film me. So here, 여기는 이제 바다도 볼 수 있어요. 하루야. Oh. Wow, look at the sea, Haru. Wow.
No, Haru. Just walks away.
그런 거 처음이네. 천천히 하루. Yeah, you can say hi if you wish. This is Haru. She's a national Korean dog.
Oh my god. Do you guys have a YouTube channel?
Yes, she has an YouTube as well. Yeah, you can see Korean dog.
Oh my god.
Chindo dog. Haru. Yeah, so popular. And I'm personally wearing the Korean traditional clothing. If you have ever seen them, have you seen it? It has like the Korean alphabet on it.
Yeah. Do you speak Korean?
Yes. It's a pretty like dying. It's a dying breed. There aren't many. Thank you. It's a Korean national dog. She likes so much. Yeah, there aren't.
How name?
Haru. We're like looking around the cruise ship. So we're doing a little tour. How old do you think she is?
I think she's around 4.
Okay. 2? Okay, she's actually 11 months old. So she's super baby still.
Oh, she's a baby.
Yeah, but she stays the same size. There's no other yet. Only Chindo dog in Estonia. It's really hard to get these dogs. You have to go to Korea to a Chindo island. Oh, 어디가? 일로 와. 아이고, 참나. Oh, another dog. Oh, no, they're not friends, I guess. Haru. Oh, it's more.
Congratulations.
Oh, no, this is actually Korean traditional clothes. I'm not getting married. Oh, yes. Oh, but thank you very much. In the future, I'll keep it in mind. Thank you. So every country has like a national dog, and this is Korea's national dog. Yes.
Yeah, so cute.
But she's a hunter. She's a hunting dog. Yeah.
Doberman hunting man.
Yeah, she's a hunter. I think she likes you a lot. She's 11 months old.
11
Yeah.
11 months.
Yeah, such a baby.
The baby.
Yeah.
Have
It's a
good
long
time.
trip. Exactly. Thank you so much and have a lovely trip. Oh, smart. Yeah.
Takes commands in Korean.
Yes, she does.
Wow.
앉아. 엎드려. Bang. So cute. She knows like that sort of stuff. Yeah, see you. No worries and see you around.
Yeah.
Yes. Happy haru. Hi. Yes, and I am Kimchi Ghost Mai. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can pet the dog. Oota, te olete eestlased?
Jaa.
Meiega. Te palju.
See on nii äge, et ta korea keeles nagu nendele.
Jaa, ta vastab jah, korea keeles reageerib.
Silmad on nii äge.
Ja hästi pruunid silmad on. Nagu see väikesel ajal on ka hästi pruunid silmad. Jaa, see on samamoodi, väga nunnu. Puuharu ja
Everyone was
harukuumi.
amazed by Haru's beauty and came to pet her.
Aigu.
She was very popular with the kids.
Ja ta.
Koera meil oli.
Yeah, she's really friendly. Aigu. Just gonna almost kiss her.
Aitäh!
Ja ilusat päeva teile ka. Korean national dog actually. Korean national dog, yes.
From South Korea.
Yes, exactly. From South Korea, yeah. Korean national dog. It's yeah, Shindo. And there's more.
The new people.
Võib-olla juba vist tajusid ära. Koer on Koreast ja kleit on Koreast ja.
After the humongous amount of pets, we went on a walk.
Tervist! Korea koer, Korea rõivas. Just, tere. Tädi. Aitäh teile, Haru. Hästi sõbralik, ta on Korea rahvuskoer on. Neid ei ole palju, neid on hästi vähe alles nüüd. Kui ei taha, siis ei tea. Ja ei, ta on sõbralik. Ja ilusat päeva teile ja ups. Ära karda, kui te ei liigu kiiresti, siis te ei ehmata.
Ära tee äkilisi liigutusi.
Just. Tahan mängida vist, mul on tunne. Okay, we have a bar. Oh, thank you. There's many types of different restaurants.
Nii fancy.
Very fancy, as Oliver said. 옷가게도 있고 다 있네. 여기 애기들이 있네. 어디 에스토니아에서 유명한 이런 카툰인데 되게 맞아, 그런 것도 있네. There's so many babies here. 애기들 많다. 하루. 얘들아. 여기 이런 빙고 같은 것도 있어요.
This was the drinking, bingo, and party room, which we had to keep baby Haru away from.
맞아, 이거는 메인이었고. 오케이.
After discovering everything there was to discover inside, we went onto the sun deck.
하루. There's a puppy. You want to say hi? Yeah, you can come and say hi. She's friendly.
Boy?
Girl. Yeah. Haru.
Haru.
Yes. I'm wearing the traditional clothes, and
Yes,
this is
yes.
Korean national dog.
Oh.
Yeah, Chindo.
Chindo.
Yeah.
Wow. She's so friendly.
Yeah, she likes people. My family traveled to Korea, went to Chindo, and brought the dog. That's the
Oh.
first Chindo dog in Estonia.
Wow.
Yeah.
After the immense
can I
amount
joke
of
you?
human interaction, I thought me and Haru should take a walk. I mean a run. After the run, we started to head back to the cabin.
Hi, how are you? Haru. Haru on nii väikene. Oih, head.
Haru, oh. Haru. Kenji climbed the ladder. This is us. Sad little Haru.
After all the discovering, we were really tired and wanted to go to sleep, but I still went to check out the party. After which I went to sleep, to be ready for the next day. And the next morning came.
Good morning. We are going on a morning walk with Haru. Let's go. I think she wants to go. Have we arrived? What's going on? We can already see islands. We are in Stockholm almost.
When I was at the info desk, a worker told me that you can't walk a dog freely, and there's a specific spot you can walk them at, so we went there.
This should be for dogs. I thought it was gonna be something bigger, but I guess this should be like the place that dogs do their business. Let's see if Haru can alleviate some stress. She's stepping in. Whoa. So nipis lang, cuatro. I guess I don't have a choice. Ooh. Oh god. Haru, tara. Tara. There's a lot of smells here. No.
Even after my sacrifice, it wasn't good enough for her.
Okay, let's walk then. But now we know this is here. We do know that. There's so many islands here. That's a lot chiller waters than before.
And after the morning walk, we headed back to the cabin to get ready to go to the car.
We're gonna go down now to the cars. Harness is a little messy right now.
Got it on right. Yeah, Haru. She's rocking this now. Starting to go now. Yeah. And we are off. We have Haru here, and why? We're gonna start heading now into Stockholm. But this was the cruise ship video, and I hope everyone enjoyed it.
구독과 좋아요 주세요.
Bye bye. She'll just lick it.